Everyone who's watching this video. My name is Tigran and welcome to this video. So this video may somewhat differ from my all other videos because in my all videos I was explaining everything on whiteboard, except first video where I was explaining on a piece of paper. But now I will go through a code and explain everything in details by that code, so that you understand programming better. So let's start. So this is my code which reverses the text. So it is a variable named reverse, which is a function with input str, which is string. So the code begins with a conditional. If type of str is a string, I think you know about type of from my previous video. It determines the type of your input or variable or whatever it is. So if it is a string, everything written from here to here will be read. Otherwise, it will return please write text. So this function only runs with text. So if you input a number, it won't run. So here I have a variable named amount, which is str length -1. So dot length means shows the length of your text. So if you have a word consisting of 10 letters and write dot length, it will print 10. So inside our console log I want to write let's say good morning dot length. Let me rename this to main so that the program reads it. So this is an empty page for just JavaScript. So inside our console log we will see 12, because good morning consists of 12 letters. So amount is the length -1. So if we have 10 letter word, amount will be 9. So then we have another variable rev, which is a function with str and amount. If amount is smaller than 0, it will return empty string, which means that if our amount is smaller than 0, this recursion will break and the function will close and return empty string. If it is bigger than 0, we have another variable result, which is str and square brackets amount. Square brackets is the index of the text. So if we have hello and square brackets 1, we will get E. So it shows the number of the text, the index. So it begins with 0. So H is 0, E is 1, L is 2, the next L is 3, and O is 4. So the last letter is always length -1. If we have 10 letter word, then the last letter will be 9. The last index will be 9. So if you write 5, you will get undefined, because there is no 6th letter in this word. So don't write an index bigger than or equal to your length of the word. So this means that you will get the last letter of your string. So if you have good morning, you will get G. Then it will the variable is str amount plus the same function again with same string, but amount -1. So if the amount here is 12, it will become 11. So it will be str amount 11 10 and it is N, this letter, and so on until you get the reverse of good morning. So let me show you an example. If I call the function reverse with good morning, it will print sorry, I can't read this, the text backwards, the good morning backwards. So if I print, I don't know, hello, it will print ole, hello backwards, and it will return the result. So that's why we are getting the result. Then it goes to main function reverse. It returns return ref with str and mount. So this is very important because when you are calling reverse here, you are not calling this function ref. So if I didn't write this, it would not, the program would not read this code, and it would return undefined, because you can't, if you have a function inside function, it will not be read by program unless you call it. So I am calling this function here via my main function by returning it. So if I write here 5, which is not the string, I will get please write text, because type of 5 is not a string and it will return the second condition, else return please write text. So this is how my how this code works. So if I have here even a very long text, hello, my name is Tigran, or I don't know, even anything bigger, it will always reverse my text, and I am always getting the reverse text. So this is how this code works. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Now I think you understand the reverse code and recursion better, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.